Do you want to check the originality of MOTOMA batteries and see their internal details? Then watch this video. With the rapid growth of the solar energy market and many new brands entering the market, we are seeing attempts to copy the designs of MOTOMA batteries and inverters. To make sure you are getting the original and authentic MOTOMA product, we're sharing with you a simple way to verify your MOTOMA battery, check its originality, and explore the cell structure and unique internal design of the MOTOMA battery. You will always find a QR code on the corner of the battery label, with part of it covered for protection. Step 1. Gently remove the protective layer to see the code. Step 2. After scratching the QR code and the code appears clearly, we scan the QR code and copy the code, or write it down manually so we can use it in the next step. Step 3. Go to MOTOMA's official website, then click on the main menu. Step 4. Go to the support section and select the option Warranty and Originality. Step 5. Enter the code you saved before in the designated field. After entering the code, click on the magnifying icon, then click on the drop-down box. After that, a page will appear showing the battery information and its details. Security code, battery serial number, battery type, battery model name, battery production date, battery warranty, cells reference, cells capacity, cells grade, cells batch production date, cell photo, cell batch QR photo, internal battery structure photo. All of this information confirms that the battery is original and manufactured by MOTOMA, giving you full confidence in the product you have.